everyone, Shelly from Crafty Cottage Dreams. I'm back for the third time today. Yes, so this is absolutely gorgeous cat that Doreen over at Lila Vintage Treasures. She creates kits, and you're lucky to get on her list. But I've had this for some time. It's fully intact. I have not used it. It has not been taken apart. And I do not plan to take it apart in this video because I will just never get it back to the way she had it. So, but I just wanted to pop on. It is already listed in my Etsy shop. And I just kind of, I'm still kind of destashing. I went crazy at one point in my life where I just have an overabundance of things that I just don't need or use. So as far as my crafty skills, I'm kind of destashing what I know I probably won't use. So you'll see some destash videos in the near future as well, as I still go through my craft supplies, which are kind of all over the place. And everybody who knows me knows that I turned my craft room into my weight training room. So I have a little space in my living room, which I'm sitting at right now, and I still have craft supplies all over the place and stuff that I probably won't use because I guess my whole I don't know, I just don't want to be, I just find it very, very overwhelming. My house is overwhelmed with craft supplies everywhere. So therefore, so I don't feel overwhelmed and not have a collection of stuff that, I don't know, I was obsessed over at one point in time in my life and felt that I needed it, but won't use. So anyway, I have this beautiful cat. It is Coffee and Pearls cat, made by Doreen, 8/16/2020, and it's fully intact, like I said. There's not anything in here that was disabled, so dismembered or whatever you want to call it. So it's a really gorgeous kit, and like I said, I just know it is. Anybody it's kind of like a surprise. You don't really know what you're going to get inside. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get inside. But it's a really gorgeous kit, and I just wanted to pop on real quick and kind of show you in a video rather than sometimes just a picture. But it's gorgeous, and I don't know if any of you ladies are interested in it, and maybe you can put it to good use and create something beautiful out of it. The one thing about Doreen's kits is a lot of things she already has created for you, so you can use them to put in your journals or so on and so forth. But this is one of them. All right, so it is listed in my Etsy shop, and maybe I'll be on later, maybe I won't. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. Third video done for the day. I hope you have a great day, ladies, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.